Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. I am going to take you with me on a ride. It is Saturday. It's what do you call it? Today is the honey bunny day, which I call date night, but it's not night yet, it's still daytime. So I'm going to take you. We're supposed to have a bite to eat. That should be interesting. And then we are going to take a little ride to the underground. This is my life. Come on. So here I am. I'm almost ready to leave the house, and now I just figured out my baby is whining and he wants to go outside. So yeah, like the good mommy that I am, I have to turn back. Come on, Papa. Come on, let's go. I have to turn back and take him out for a walk. You gotta find a perfect place. What do you want to do now? Future? Future? Are you finished? Want to go pee-pee? Are you ready to go inside? Come, let's go. Let's go, Papa, because you're not doing anything else. Alrighty, so I guess now that I'm done with this boy here, I could go ahead and start my day. Come on, let's go. Or did you want to go pee-pee? You pee-pee in your potty inside. It's a beautiful day. Can't complain. I'm gonna grab me a bite, and then we'll move on to the next little routine for the day. But it is a beautiful day today in the ATL. So now that I had my face stuffed with the man that I love, so as you can see, we are in line here. I'm not a car wash kind of girl, you know, but my hubby will not drive his car when it's dirty. So we are in line waiting for our turn to go into the car wash and get the vehicle dolled up. So that boy right there, so him no know what him a do. That boy right there, so nothing. Him not have no clue what him a do, you know. Clueless. But anyway, it is what it is. As long as the car kind of clean some kind of way, then that's all that matters. And as usual, my honey is outside, and he is getting the car him there dolled up. See him right there, so he getting the car dolled up, and I'm inside. Oh yeah, so you say, baby, sit in the car as usual. So hey, I'm sitting in the car. Yeah, you guys know how I feel about Waffle House orange juice, right? The thing is massive. The thing, Waffle House orange juice, like I always say, the thing is massive, right? But don't die, it's to die for. Waffle House orange juice is massive, but don't die, alright? Enough to die for, but don't die. Waffle House. And as you can see, we are definitely not moving, like barely moving. You see that? So it's gonna be a slow ride, very slow one, but we'll get there. We'll get there. Right, this is unbelievable. You have 7 lanes on the interstate, right? 7 lanes, I kid you not. 7 lanes. And all 7 lanes are congested going into the city. Isn't that something? Like, I'm wondering where all them people are going. It is so crazy. Look at that. 7 lanes, guys, I kid you not, going into the city. And every single lane is congested. Oh yeah, look at that, guys. Those buildings that we're looking at right there, that is downtown Atlanta. And that's a train right there. It's so beautiful downtown, guys. As long as you could deal with the traffic, because I have to tell you, it's always traffic in the city, but you have to know what time you're getting on. But I love Atlanta. I really do. That is beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. You know, now you know why I love it here. I love Atlanta, guys. Look at those buildings right there. It is gorgeous. Gorgeous. You just have to learn the inner streets. You don't have to learn those inner streets, and you have to learn it real fast, because those inner streets are going to save you. Otherwise, you have to know what time you're going to get on the highway to beat all the traffic. It is Saturday, and I guess people are going to visit wherever the hell they're going, just like we going out. But yeah, it's nice. So we are here at the underground. As you can see, this place is gorgeous. It's nice. So I'm gonna take you guys on a little tour with us. So, yep, we are shopping. Well, buying stuff. It's nice in here. So far, we are still walking around here, and we're looking, and we haven't found anything yet thus far. See if we can find something once and for all. So hopefully we'll find something in here, because it's pretty. Got some nice bags and stuff in here. Okay. Nice. This is a nice bag. Babe, you like this? That's different. How much is this? 55. So that's different. You ever see a bag like that before? That's cute. Let me see what it looks like. Oh, it's so strong. Alright, so there goes the city again, guys. I wanted to give you a nice little view. Now we're in the middle of downtown Atlanta, and as you can see right there, that's 75 interstate, 75 and 85, and that's where we're heading, because we're trying to get out of the city, guys. Besides grabbing a bite to eat and, you know, watching the parade, a little bit that I could get because it was so damn crowded. And going shopping. So now I'm gonna head back my side of town. But yeah, this is downtown Atlanta. On the opposite side, going back into the city, as you can see, a whole bunch of traffic. I'm gonna come to chickens them too early because you never know when they're gonna run in traffic even on this side. Pretty smooth so far. Pretty smooth. And the day is still nice. I had fun though. So I'm just gonna go back to my side of town and then I see what I have to find over there. Well guys, I made it back home. Didn't get much of anything out there at all. The hubby didn't find what he wanted. So the only thing we got was, let's see here. The only thing we got was a nice pair of like a what do you call this? Aqua blue. No, it's not aqua blue, it's like navy blue jeans. And one of them skinny jeans. It's like pretty simple. So that's what he got. He got that one. And he also got this one as well. This white jeans. Right here. And we got this at the underground. I love the one, yeah. Pretty simple. And these were only, what, I think this was like 25 a piece. So yeah, that was it. I didn't find anything for myself. The things that I saw was just way too not me, so I didn't find anything. So, and plus, you know, when you go shopping with the boyfriend or the hubby or the whatever, they just be like rushing you and stuff, make you nervous. So I'm gonna go Monday and go see if I could find something for myself. So anyway, that was about it. We came back. I had a little bit of something to eat, and now I'm just going to go and relax. I'm a little bit tired as well in the eyes, so I'm just gonna go ahead and relax, grab a little snack, take a shower, and I'm gonna watch what else do I have of Atlanta, and I'm just gonna cuddle with the honey bunny, and I'm going to go to my bed. So I hope you guys like this vlog. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So as always guys, see you in the next vlog. See you with some more interesting recipes, and I love you, and I will talk to you later. Bye.